How many terms are there in the AP, given AP 6, 10, 14, 18, dash, 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 174. In this, the first term is 6 and the common difference, that is 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, or else you can do 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. And he's asking why, and he's asking how many terms are there. To find that, I am using this formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d, and here the nth term is given 174 and first term is 6. We don't know which term is 174 and the common difference is 4. Bring plus 6 this side, what happens? Minus 6. 174 minus 6, that is n minus 1 into 4. 174 minus 6 is 168, and into 4 becomes divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1. 4 ones are 4 fours are 4 twos are 42. Take minus 1 this side, plus 1, that is 43. The 43rd term of this AP is 174. How many terms are there in the AP? 41, 38, 35. Here the first term is 41 and the common difference is 38 minus 41, that is minus 3, or else you can do 35 minus 38, which is also equal to minus 3. Again for this I am going to use Tn is equal to the nth term is minus 1. For this I am using the nth term formula of an AP, that is a plus n minus 1d. Here Tn is minus 1 and a is first term is 41 and n which term we don't know, and the common difference is minus 3. Take minus 41 this side, it becomes minus 41 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 1 minus 41, it becomes minus 42 into minus 3, it becomes divided by minus 3 when it comes to the other side. N minus 1, minus minus cancels. 3 ones are 3 ones are and 1 remains, 3 fours are 12. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 14. Take minus 1 that side, what happens? Plus 1. 14 plus 1 is 15. Therefore the 15th term of this AP is minus 1. 15th term of this AP is minus 1. Here we go with the next one. Which term of the AP, again I repeat, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, 23 so on is 98? Here the first term is given 3 and the common difference is 8 minus 3, that is 5, and the nth term is given 98. For this I am going to use the nth term formula a plus n minus 1d, and here nth term is 98 and the first term is 3 and n we have to find into 5. 98 minus 3 plus 3 becomes minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 98 minus 3 is 95. N minus 1 into 5 becomes divided by 5. N minus 1. 5 ones are 5. 4 remains, 5 nines are 45. 19. N minus 1 is equal to 19. Take minus 1 this side, it becomes plus 1. 19 plus 1. Therefore the 20th term of this AP is 98. This is how we have to solve this problem. Which term of the AP is 0, he is asking. Here the first term is 72 and the common difference is 68 minus 72, that is minus 4, and the nth term is given Tn is equal to 0. Tn is equal to 0, and use the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Here Tn is 0, a is equal to 72, a is equal to 72 plus n, I don't know, minus 1 into minus 4. Take 72 this side, it becomes minus 72 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 4. Into minus 4 becomes divided by minus 4. Minus 72 divided by minus 4 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus cancels. 4 ones are 3 remains. 4 8s are 32. 18 is equal to n minus 1. Take minus 1 this side, plus 1. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. Therefore the 19th term of this AP is 0. The 19th term of this AP is 0. Similarly, we'll go with the next question. Which term of this AP is 3, he is asking. The first term is 1 and the common difference is 1 by 6 minus 1. 1 whole 1 by 6 minus 1. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 6 minus 1. Here LCM is the 6. 7 minus 6 by 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 by 6. Therefore the common difference is 1 by 6. and the nth term is given 3, and for this I am going to use nth term formula a plus n minus 1d. Here the nth term is 3 and the first term is 1 and n minus 1, d is 1 by 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 by 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into 6. 3 minus 1, 2 is equal to n minus 1 divided by 6. Divided by 6 becomes into 6. So 2 into 6 is equal to n minus 1. That is 12. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Therefore, the 13th term of this AP is 3. The 13th term of this AP is 3. Here we go with the next question. The 4th and 10th terms of an AP are 13 and 25 respectively. Find 17th term. The 4th term is given 13 and the 10th term is given 25, and he is asking find the 17th term. And for this I am going to use the nth term formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Tn plus a plus n minus 1d is equal to Tn. And in Tn place I am using T4, that is n value is 4. 4 minus 1d. Therefore it becomes a plus 3d. Therefore I can write T4 as a plus 3d similarly, and T4 value is 13. Similarly, T10 I can write it as a plus 10 minus 1d is equal to 25. A plus 9d. A plus 9d is equal to 25. Now, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is a plus 9d is equal to 25. A plus 3d is equal to 13. A plus 3d is equal to 13. Subtract now. Plus becomes minus. Plus becomes minus. Plus becomes minus. Plus a minus a cancels. 9 minus 3, that is 6d. 25 minus 13 is equal to 12. Therefore, d is equal to 12 divided by 6. That is 6 ones are 6 twos are. Therefore, the common difference is 2. Now you substitute this d value in any of the equation. In equation number 1, I am putting 3 into 2 is equal to 13. A plus 6 is equal to 13. Take plus 6, that side it becomes minus 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. And the value of the first term is 7. Now, what is asking in the problem? 17th term. 17th term is equal, can be written as, 17th term of this AP can be written as a plus 17 minus 1d. 17 minus 1d. A plus a is 7 plus 17 minus 1 16 into d value is 2. 7 plus 17, 16 twos are 32. 32 plus 7, 39. Therefore, the 17th term of this AP is 39. 17th term of this AP is 39. The 7th term of an AP is minus 4 and the 13th term is minus 6. Find the first term, common difference, and nth term. The 7th term is minus 4, a plus 6d, that is minus 4. A plus 7 minus 1 d. Whenever T7 is given, you can write directly a plus 6d is equal to minus 4. You can write it directly. Similarly, 13th term is given how much? Minus 16. 13th term minus 16, that is a plus 13 minus 1, that is 12d is equal to minus 16. This is the 13th term. Now I subtract equation 1 from equation 2. A plus 12d is equal to minus 16. A plus 6d is equal to minus 4. A plus 6d is equal to minus 4. I'll change the sign here. Plus a minus a cancels. 12 minus 6 is 6d. Minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12. I'll divide minus 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. That is common difference is minus 2. I'll put this common difference value in this equation. 12 into minus 2. 12 twos are 24. Minus 24. A is equal to minus 16, minus 24 becomes plus 24. 24 minus 16 is 8. Therefore, the first term of this question is 8. And he is asking nth term. I am going to use the nth term formula for this. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. A is 8 plus n minus 1 d. D is how much here? Minus 2 into minus 2. 8 plus into minus minus 2 n minus into minus plus 2 and the 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2n. The nth term of this equation is, the nth term of this question is 10 minus 2n. Find the 8th term from the end of the AP. Nth term from the end of the AP. From the end of the AP. We have one formula for this. Nth term from the end of the AP is equal to L minus n minus 1d. Remember this. From the starting it is a plus n minus 1d. From the end it is L minus n minus 1d. The last term here is 184 and the common difference is 10 minus 7, that is 3. Tn is equal to L is 184. The last term n is 8. L is 184 minus 8 minus 1. D is 3. Here D is 3. 184 minus 7 into 3. 7 3 is 21. 184 minus 21. If we subtract this, 3, 6, 163. The 8th term of this question is 163. The 8th term from the end is 163. Find the 6th term from the end. Here the first term is 17 and the last term is minus 40. And he is asking that 6th term common difference is 14 minus 17, that is minus 3. And we know the nth term from the end, Tn is equal to L minus n minus 1d. And he is asking 6th term, T6 is equal to minus 40 minus bracket 6 minus 1 d. D is minus 3 minus 40. 6 minus 1 5. 5 into minus 3 minus 40. 5 3 is 15 plus 15 minus into minus plus. Minus 40 plus 15 is minus 25. The 6th term from the end is minus 25. Here we go with the next question. Find the value of x for which the numbers 5x plus 2, 4x minus 1 and x plus 2 are in AP. Here the three terms to be in AP, the common difference should be same. That is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. These terms should be different. The common difference should be same. Let's find out. 4x minus 1 minus the bracket 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2 is equal to A3 is x plus 2 minus A2 is 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Let us simplify this. 4x minus 1 minus 5x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2 minus 4x plus 1. 4x minus 5x is minus x, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 is equal to x minus 4x is minus 3x, 2 plus 1 is 3. Bring minus 3x this side, 3x minus x. You take this minus 3 that side, 3 plus 3. 3x minus x, 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. X is equal to 3. For the value of x is equal to 3, these numbers are in AP. Find the value of k for which the numbers are in AP. Again, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. The common difference should be same. The common difference should be same. That is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. 4k plus 3, that is 2k plus 1 minus k minus 3 is equal to 4k plus 3 minus 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 minus k plus 3 is equal to 4k plus 3 minus 2k minus 1. 2k minus k is k, 1 plus 3 plus 4. 4k minus 2k, 2k, 3 minus 1 plus 2. Bring k this side, 4 minus 2, 2k minus k. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2k minus k is k. That is k value. For the value of k is equal to 2, these numbers are in AP. Find the three numbers in AP whose sum is 15 and product is 80. Let three numbers be a minus d, a and a plus d. The sum he told that it is 15. If we add all these, the sum should be 15. I am adding this. The sum should be 15, he is telling. Plus d minus d cancels, that is a plus a plus a, that is 3a is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 by 3, that is 5u. The first term of that AP is 5u. And product he is telling, the product of these terms is 15, he is telling. That is a minus d into a plus d is equal to 80. Put the value for a 5, that a plus d into a minus d is a square minus d square, and a is equal to 50. Put the value of a 5 square minus d square into 5u is equal to 30. 25u minus d square is equal to 80 by 5. 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. 25u minus d square is equal to 16. I'll bring d square this side, and 25u minus 16 is equal to 9. 25 minus 16 is equal to 9 root 9. Therefore, the common difference is 3. Hence, the three numbers are a minus d, a and a plus d. A minus d is 5u minus 3 is equal to 2. A, that is 5u, and a plus d is 5u plus 3 is equal to 8. Hence, the three numbers in the AP are 2, 5u and 8. 2, 5u and 8. The angles of a triangle are in AP whose common difference is 20 degree. Find the angles. Let the three angles be x plus 20 degree and x plus 40 degree. Because the common difference is how much? 20 degree. If we add all these three angles, the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. All interior angles is 180 degree. If we add all these, the sum is 180 degree. 3x plus 40 plus 20, 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Take 60 that side, 3x is equal to 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 degree divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are 40 degree. For the value of 40 degree, that 40 degree, 40 plus 20, 60, 40 plus 40, 80 degree. These are the angles which are in AP, and